Here I have VIVO X51 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So first of all, you have to open phone. First method to block number, you can just add it to your contacts, then select it here, tap here, and then block numbers, and number will be blocked. But there's another method. You can just from here go to the settings, then go to the block numbers and just tap add number here and enter number which you want to block here, and it will never call you again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.